Thank you very much. In fact, I would like to introduce my company first, Erhardt and Leimer. So, Erhardt and Leimer is more than 100-year-old company. We are based in Augsburg, and in India also we have started operation way back somewhere in late 70s. We started our operation in 1978 or 79. So we are in India also more than 40-year-old. And Erhardt and Leimer as a company is known around the world for guiding solutions. So we have a tagline that is "Guidings are us." So many of the innovative solutions which has been brought to the industry for the textile basically has come from Erhardt and Leimer. Uh, People are know about our product like KF20, which is a cloth guider, which is the oldest product for the textile industry. It's a cloth guider, and then we have many more like different kind of guiding solutions, especially the centering devices we call it. Then we have a plenty of new innovation which we have done all these years. But during this ITMA, we are here with a big expectations because the company has innovated some new technology to the market, and now instead of moving from mechanics product, now we are moving towards more and more artificial intelligence based electronic products, which are the solutions the world was looking for many years. So one of them is like I would like to show you here. We have LWar, uh, LWar thread sensor we call it. This is a new camera we have developed for the market. And generally, if somebody wanted to trim the uh, edges and they wanted to trim exactly from the first warp or second warp of the fabric, so there was no sensors available so far in the market. So this is a new camera which can sense the first warp of your fabric, and the signal of the camera can be used to trim out the additional weft. If you can see on the screen over there, so camera is able to detect the first warp, and on the screen you will see that all the edges, the flurry edges which are coming out, and then you can easily trim it. So this is a solution which we have brought to the market, because now the worldwide, if you see, there are a lot many digital printing machines which are being used in the market. So in all these machines, when the head moves around, so these threads, they basically stuck with the threads, with the head of the printing head. So if you can trim this edges properly, then we can improve the productivity of your printing machine. So this is the first product which we have introduced to this market. Then I would like also to show you this seam detector. So far we had seam detection analog based sensors. Now we have introduced seam detector, which is a camera based system. So here again we have a similar kind of camera with a new software, whereas this camera can detect the seams, whether it's a printed material or various kind of fabrics, and it can easily detect the seam, which can be the signal of this camera can be used to open your calendar rolls. So this is mainly for the calendaring line. So this is the product. Then the third product which we have introduced during this show is cleaning system. This is again towards improving your printing quality on a digital printing machine. So you have to basically clean the fabric from all the flops and lint, and so that you can have a good quality of printing. So this is a L-Clean product, wherein we have two air bars basically, one for the bottom side, one for the top side. So here we give a high air pressure to these bars, and then it basically blow out all these lints and flops, and then we have a vacuum sucking device. So this, under this you will have another pipe which is basically sucking all these lints and all these fluffs. So this is the third product which we have introduced during this show. The fourth one is also, it's attracting a lot of attention of our visitors. That is our we call it LCount. Of course, we introduced this LCount during the last ITMA, and that was like beginning of this product. But now we have improved this. We have improved the software for this product, and now this is also quite successful. We have a lot of interest for this product. So LCount basically, it counts, it measures the number of counts on your fabric, so that you can know how much weight is there for the fabric. So this is another product. And then we have during the show we have also shown our web straightener, that is called LStraight. So web straightener is not new to the market and not new for Erhardt and Leimer also, but then of course there is a lot of improvement in the technology in the camera side. So that is there. Then one more interesting product which we are wanted to show to you, that is width measurement. So width measurement, if you see here, so we have a sensor, here, uh, which can measure the complete width of the material, and it can be displayed over there. So normally at the outfit of the center, people wanted to know what is the width of their material, so they can always have a look on the width, and then operator, if they want to control somewhere inside the center, they can control the feed of the fabric in the center. Apart from that, we also have a load cells here. Load cells measure the tension on the material. So especially if somebody has got a high elastomer material, so we can know how much stretch is there on the fabric. So with the help of these load cells, we can measure the tension. That is also displayed here. So you can set point your required tension, and then you can have actual tension also, and then you can use this alarm for controlling purpose. Then apart from that, we have this product that is called, basically it's a slitting device for your knitted circular fabric. So always we have this product we have in this market for the last 15-20 years, but with every passing year we have to introduce a new camera technology. So this is a new innovative camera which can, in the past we had a limitation with the cameras to find the fine thin line which is required for controlling that fabric, and we always were struggling with. But now we have got high tech with the introduction of the new technology in the camera. Now we are able to detect this very thin line with a minimal contrast, and this system is now able to detect. So now it's a highly successful product in the market. We enjoy almost more than 50% market share in this particular product. Whether the machine manufacturer is our competitor, because we also make a small machine using this equipment. So, but then we have a competitor also for this particular machine. But even though we have a lot of retrofit market because of this camera, so this is one of very highly demanding product in the market. Then of course we have these are our standard products. We have our cloth guiders. Uh, we have this cloth guider. The good thing is that we should feel proud that this product is manufactured at E&L Ahmedabad, India, and it is sold around the world. So this product is produced in India. We have a spreading device which is also produced in India, and from India it is being sold around the world. Then of course we have a center in feed device. Uh, this is KRS 60 model, is KRS 60. So this product also uses a high technology, a high tech innovation product. We have got a BLDC motor. Normally, majority of the controlling devices, they use permanent magnet DC motor, but here we have used a brushless DC motor, which is absolutely maintenance free, and the correction speed of this motor is very fast, so that high-speed stentor machines, which requires a very quick reaction from our sensors, this is able to meet their demand. So these are all spreading devices, guiding systems. Then we have a edge trimming, cutting control system. So these are all mechanical products in general. But if I talk about high-tech, innovative, technology-based product, then we have these cameras. Basically, we have a seam detector, we have a warp control systems, we have a LCount, and we have a web straightener also, which is in the market for many years. Again, we have introduced the camera technology inside this L straight, and then we also have a streaming device with the new sensors. So this way, Erhardt and Leimer had been giving the solutions to the market for many years with their innovative technologies, I would say, and then also we are always listening to our customers, what they are looking for, and basically our customers are mainly OEMs, and for them also the demands comes from the end customers. So it's like uh, I visit my end customer, he says that we have some problems, and then how can you bring out the solutions. So of course the solutions takes some time because we have to find the right technology for that particular problems. But all these years, Erhardt and Leimer has been always in the forefront in the market, Uh, we had been introducing the new sensors for the market, new guiding systems for the market, because all these years we have seen that there is a lot of change in the kind of fabric people are using, and all these fabrics have require a customized solutions. So E&R has been always there to meet the customer demand.